Welcome to the Custom GPTs quiz. Test your skills and learn fast. Keep score out of 8. Ready? Let's go. Before we begin. 1. Grab a notepad. Keep score for all 8 questions. 2. Answer the question with A, B, or C. 3. Stay to the end for quick tips and directions. Let's do this. Question number 1. What is a custom GPT inside ChatGPT?
A. A random chatbot with no settings. B. A tailored version of ChatGPT with your rules and tools. C. A new programming language. Answer: B. A tailored version of ChatGPT with your rules and tools.
Explain. A custom GPT is a tailored version of ChatGPT with your instructions, files, and optional actions. Engage. Got it right? Like this video. If not, no worries, keep going. Question number 2. Where do you start to build a custom GPT? A. The Explore GPTs or Create area. B. The Billing page. C. The Themes menu. Answer: A. The Explore GPTs or Create area. Explain. Use Explore GPTs Create to open the builder and set up your GPT. Engage. 2 for 2? Subscribe for more quick wins. Question number 3. Which part sets the voice and rules for your custom GPT? A. Instructions. B. Display name. C. Conversation starters. Answer: A. Instructions. Explain. The instructions tell the GPT how to respond, what to focus on, and what to avoid. Engage. If you use custom rules already, comment rules matter. Question number 4. What does the knowledge section do? A. Changes the GPT's color. B. Lets you upload files or docs to ground answers. C. Sends emails. Answer: B. Lets you upload files or docs to ground answers. Explain. Upload PDFs, text, or other files so the GPT can answer from your own material. Engage. If you plan to add your playbooks, like this one. Question number 5. What are actions in a custom GPT? A. Extra themes. B. External tools or APIs the GPT can use. C. New fonts. Answer: B. External tools or APIs the GPT can use. Explain. Actions let your GPT talk to outside services, with permissions, like a database or app. Engage. New to actions? Comment on which tool you'd connect first. Question number 6. What's the safest way to keep private data out of public use? A. Paste secrets in the GPT name. B. Store sensitive info only in private knowledge and don't publish it publicly. C. Share your API keys in a prompt. Answer: Store sensitive info only in private knowledge and don't publish it publicly. Explain. Keep sensitive data private. Don't expose keys or private files in public GPTs. Engage. If security matters to you, subscribe for more tips. Question number 7. Which step helps new users start fast with your GPT? B. Conversation starters with sample tasks.
C. A blank screen.
Answer: B. Conversation starters with sample tasks. Explain. Conversation starters give users ready-made prompts to try right away. Engage. If you love examples, like this question. Question number 8. You updated your GPT's instructions and files. What should you do before sharing? A. Nothing, ship it. B. Change the icon only. C. Test with real tasks and edge cases. Answer: C. Test with real tasks and edge cases. Explain. Always test with real inputs to catch tone issues, missing steps, or poor outputs. Engage. Score check. How many right so far? Comment your number. Nice work. Quiz complete. More quizzes drop soon, each tied to its YouTube video. Want to learn more? Want more tips and ready-to-use prompt packs? Visit the Smart AI Bundle store to see what's inside, compare bundles, and pick the tools that make sense for you.